Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to borrow money from Chime. So, Chime offers a Spot Me feature and credit builder loan, but it does not provide traditional loans. However, you can still borrow money through Chime in the following ways. Method 1 is using the Chime Spot Me overdraft protection. So, Chime Spot Me allows eligible users to overdraft their accounts up to $200 with no fees. So, simply open the Chime app and go to Settings. Then, find the Spot Me and enable it if eligible. Use your Chime debit card for purchases or ATM withdrawals, and Chime will cover the overdraft amount and it will be repaid when you receive your next deposit. Now, method 2 is Chime Credit Builder Loan. So, Chime offers a credit builder secured loan which allows you to borrow against your own money. So in this method, you can apply for Chime Credit Builder card that will require a Chime checking account. Now, deposit money into your credit builder account as collateral and use your card to make purchases, and Chime will report payments to help build your credit. Now, you should note that this is not a traditional loan, but it helps to improve credit scores for better loan approvals in the future. Now, method 3 is using a loan app compatible with Chime. So, if you need instant cash, try these loan apps that work with Chime. The first one is Albert, through which you can get up to $250 advance with no interest. Another one is Earnin. You can borrow up to $750 per pay period. Another one is Dave. It offers a small cash advances. And at last, Bridget. It can give you instant cash advances with credit building tools. So, ensure that your Chime account receives direct deposit to qualify for these applications. Also, Chime doesn't offer traditional loans, but you can still borrow money using the Spot Me overdraft, the credit builder loan, or third-party loan apps. Choose the best option based on your needs and eligibility. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.